Here we will be discussing about uh, it's a continuation of first class. A theory class is here. We are continuing. So what we discuss here in this class. So as we know, SAP has developed from SAP architectures. That is R1, R2, R3. So R stands for real-time data processing, as we discussed in previous class. So here, what is real-time data processing? Let's take the examples. In our company, we have 100 raw materials. 100 raw materials. In 100 raw materials, 90 are in the good quality and 5 are already in scrap. So, and 5 are rejected. So this is a data which all the 100 raw materials, they are distributed in 3 different ways. Right now, they are at the scrap and rejected condition and good quality condition. All the real time, right now, what is happening in the industry, that data is stored. That is called real time data processing. So here what we have, so whatever we have discussed, that is R stands for real time data processing, and 1 stands for single tier architecture. What is single tier architecture? It's only with the application. Application in the sense, just for example, if you suppose you are putting some data, giving some data, that application is working like calculator. But what happens, the drawback of this, there is no data storage. So to advance with some data storage as well as application running, we got one more architecture, that is R2. So R2 architecture is called two-tier architecture. It was with application and database. For example, whatever you work in your computer, it's maybe Excel sheet or Word sheet, whatever data application you do, you can store in your computer. So that is R2 application. So this R2 is evolved in 1980. Then advancement in 1990s come with R3. So R3, what it is the 3-tier architecture. It has application, database, as well as server, that is client. For example, application, you know how that SAP works. Database, somewhere it is you are going to store, and server is nothing but client who is going to work. For example, SAP software is there that is given for the Tata company to work their company, or SAP software may be given to the Britannia company. SAP software may be given to the any other industry, automobile industry, pharmaceutical industry, or any industry where our SAP actually is going to be helpful. That is called server. So actually, without database, server is going to be worked at the end of the day, or while application, when the server is down, the database is used, or when the server is up at the for that particular instant, data is going to be stored. So R3 is the advanced application. Still, we are using this one. R3 has application as well as database and client.